Las Vegas home for sale for under $500K with a pool, RV parking, and no HOA. Okay, so this home surprised me for a lot of reasons. It's a single-story home in Northwest Las Vegas, under $500,000. There's no HOA. It has 4 bedrooms. There's gated RV parking, private pool, and the neighbors in the area have been so welcoming to me the past couple days while I've been doing open houses over here. They have a sense of community over here, and it just seems like a great place to live. Today I'm going to be taking you through a full walkthrough of this home, this Las Vegas Northwest home for sale, and wait until the end because I'm going to go in the backyard and you'll see the pool and the side yard, and then throughout we're going to talk about the renovation potential as well. It was built in 1999, so it does need a little bit of a facelift, a little bit of makeup here and there, but otherwise this place is amazing. Let's take a look. Okay, so starting outside, this home is on the corner of Brett Street and Hammer. It is in a cul-de-sac here, and this is the front. Coming around here this way. It's my little open house sign idea here. We'll come in here. This does have a security gate here. And when you're walking in, here is the front entryway. It's a dining seating area on this side. And I'm gonna shut the door because I think it's about a little over 100 degrees today. So here we are inside. And it has nice big ceilings. Ceiling fans here, and as you can see, you can start seeing that, you know, maybe it does need a little bit of just a modern refresh because it was built in 1999. This single-story home, you know, has great bones, but it really reflects that era. So, you know, just like the little niches over here. Somebody commented yesterday that they'd like to put the cabinets up to the top and then create more storage space for themselves. Another suggestion for this house, and then just like all the windows are great too, was right here where this, I don't know what that's called, an armoire? I don't know, but I love it. Anyways, somebody said that they knocked out this side and put French doors where this sits because there's an office room on the other side, and it just created all this open space for their house. So that was a really cool suggestion as well. So as we come over here, this is like the living room, dining space, but you do also have a living room, dining space over here as well. So it just depends how you want to set it up. Then we have the coat closet, little vacuum there. It's, for the fan. I brought Laffy Taffies because I feel like people need sugar when they're out looking at houses all day. And then this is that beautiful, and just like take a look at how high the ceilings are as you come over here. I did have a balloon escape from me yesterday, and I think it's deflated somewhere now, but I just didn't even try and get it because it was too high. We did get a quote for the flooring just to make it all the same flooring throughout. You do have this wood flooring over here, and then this tile, and in the bedrooms there's carpet. And I believe the flooring quote came back about $20,000 for the whole home. So I feel like that was still a really great deal. And I still think this home is really affordable for what you get. And here's this space over here, another ceiling fan. And again, it just, you know, it's nice. This beautiful countertop over here. I have my music playing. I am the most prepared person when I do open houses. I have my little mobile office area. I take everything with me. I'm always afraid I'm gonna forget something, or I'm gonna need something and I'm gonna wish I had it. Little kitchen table, kitchen space right here from this side. And I like this little coffee area, how they set up the area right here with just this little table, but I feel like it'd also be really cool to just have, make this like a big dining area, and then you can include your entertaining with while you're making dinner or celebrating a holiday together or whatever special occasions. Somebody could be cooking right here, and then this could be like a whole dining seating area, entertainment space. Maybe have like a bar stand right here, would also be really cool. But I just think this home is in such great, very well kept home. Then over here, I know that this home is in probate, so in some of these cabinets and things like that, there will be some stuff in here. But again, just some great bones going on over here at a great price point. Some cabinets. Let's see under here. Cabinets just need a good cleanup. I got my music playing, my summertime music. It gets quiet in these houses, and then you start hearing noises, and then your brain starts like filling in the gaps for you, and there's nothing going on. So I have some background noise, but sometimes I've had a little scary movie moments, thinking in my head like, oh, is Casper here? I do it in every open house when I'm here alone. So here's this, and then just underneath the sink, looks like it needs some cleanup under there. Then we have, oh, we didn't look at the freezer. And so that is the kitchen area. We're gonna start going around here. Let's see here. Okay, this is the laundry room with the attic access. Washer and dryer. Lots of storage space right there. Again, you know, just needs a little bit of a clean. Maybe some fresh paint. I did have a painter come through here too today, and he was just talking about how he already works in the area, and that he might want to purchase the home just because he's really skilled at putting things together really quickly and cleaning them up. So I don't think it would take much. This is going out to the garage, and let's see here. So this is a 2-car garage in addition to the RV parking on the side of the home. Cabinetry, storage, lots of room for storage in here. Looks like that goes to the attic. Ooh. Yeah. I am not the most graceful person. Anybody will tell you that around me. And yeah, I'm surprised that's the first time I almost tripped today. That's a record. All right, so this is the room that I was talking about, that the neighbor actually said that they knocked out this wall and made it French doors, and it's nice and airy for working from home. All these windows, and then it does have a closet, so it is technically a bedroom. This is a 4-bedroom home. And as we go over here, we will shake off almost falling on my face. That was awesome. And go to the first bathroom over here. And, you know, again, this home was built in 1999 and it's under 500,000, so it just needs a little love. But imagine what this would look like with a little facelift. I think it'd be great. And again, super high ceilings over here. So this is where we were saying that we were getting the quotes for the flooring, because the carpet does need a little bit of a refresh. But in this room, nice high ceilings, great size bedroom. So I found out that the previous owner was a person who was deaf. So I believe that all these extra safety features were just because he was here alone, and he just wanted extra precautions because for security purposes and things like that, being that he was a part of the deaf community. So here is the side yard. There's that. And here is the third bedroom. Again, those super duper high ceilings and great sized room. Closet. And now here is your primary suite. So what's really cool about the primary suite is it does connect to the pool. So you got that pool in the outside outdoor area. And we'll fully go out there in a minute, but it's really cool. I can't wait to get in the pool later. Going to a birthday party, and I'm gonna eat some carne asada tacos and sit by the pool. And here's this walk-in closet. I really like that this has 2 doors. It's just fun. You got these big wide open windows and your second bathroom. Tub shower combo, 2 sinks, all that storage underneath, 2 medicine cabinets, nice high ceilings, and then your business bathroom over here. And now we're gonna walk outside. I have my sunglasses. So again, you're on the corner of Rhett and Hammer over here. Nice big sparkling pool. And you have all this yard on this side. And it's a really big lot. It just keeps going over here. There's your side yard. Oh, I really would love to be using that pool right now. And now you see how all of this is just, it's a big yard, it's a big lot. I know that there's a misconception that Vegas doesn't have backyards, but there are plenty of areas that have large backyards. I have a visitor. And there's your gated RV parking. And now we are back at wrapping around here in the kitchen. Overall, this Las Vegas Northwest home for sale has no HOA, RV parking, pool, 4 bedrooms, 2-car garage, 1,800 square feet, all for under $500,000. If you're moving to Las Vegas or relocating to the northwest part of the valley, comment Rhett and I'll send you more details about this property. And if you need more information about other homes for sale in the area that have no HOA or pool or RV parking, or if you'd like to compare your options to new home builds, that is my specialty and I'd love to help you. Thanks.